Hello, and welcome to Classroom Central's 9 School Tools Supply Drive, where you can become a fundraiser in less than 10 minutes. Today, we will be going over how to set up your company with a personalized virtual shopping drive page. First, visit classroomcentral.org 2021 9 School Tools. Select Sign up to host a virtual drive. This will take you to Classroom Central's 9 School Tools Supply Drive homepage. Select Host Your Own Supply Drive. Click Register for 9 School Tools Virtual Supply Drive and enter your email. Create an account. Select I want to add my company as a supply drive host. Create a team fundraiser. Name of your team. And enter your team fundraising goal. Enter in your contact information. Meet the personal fundraising goal at 0. This will take you to the optional school supply donation page. This enables you to make a donation to kick off your campaign. This is not necessary, and you can continue the registration if you like. Complete registration. Your registration for your team is now complete. Please notate up in the top right your name in my fundraising toolbar. Visit Team Fundraising. Now that you've completed the registration process, let's navigate your fundraising tools and edit your team page. First, update my team's goal. You can update your team's goal at any time. Second, visit Edit My Team page. Here's where you can add your team logo or add language such as highlighting upcoming events or add team photos to the slideshow. Remember, once you add your team photos, to save page at the bottom left corner. Once you have saved your page and updates, please go to the top right and visit Team Fundraising. View your team page to make sure all the updates are successful. 2 ways that your company or employees are able to make donations are through Donate Dollars, select your amount or other. If your company does match, they can fill out the employer and the employee email. They can remain anonymous or have their name show up on the events page. Complete your donation of $25. And once that donation is made, the $25 will show up in your fundraising thermometer. The second way to make a donation is through our Donate School Supplies. First, select your team's fundraising in this drop-down box. Once you've selected your team's fundraiser, you can move on to the options such as fully equip a classroom with all the highlighted 9 school tool supplies, or equip a class of 20 with one of the highlighted supplies, or equip a student with any of the individual highlighted supplies. Select Add to your cart and complete checkout. Once you've completed your checkout, your purchase amount will be added to your total in your fundraising thermometer. Now, let's do a quick recap on your fundraising dashboard. Visit Team Fundraising. Areas to highlight: update my team goal, view team page, edit my team page, and resources. Don't forget to take advantage of our marketing and resource materials, such as our toolkits, to include copy and paste emails and social media templates, posters, and social media graphics. You are now officially a fundraiser. To share your team page, select My Fundraising Tools, copy my team URL, or view my team page and copy the link in your browser. If you need any assistance, please feel free to call or email anytime. Thank you for participating in our 9 School Tools Supply Drive.